Hi guys, it's Ms. Ellen, and I'm here today with my trusty sidekick,
Jaden.
and we are going to read the book Breathe With Me. And the book is by Miriam Gates. She's the author, and the author
Writes
the,
words,
and it is illustrated by Sarah Jane Hinder, and the illustrator
draws
the.
pictures.
All right, so let's get started. So obviously we're going to talk about breathing today again. You're always breathing up and down, in and out. You use your breath each time you talk or sing, for every whisper and every shout. Your breath can be short and quick, like the drum line in a marching band. Your breath can be slow and long, like waves rolling on the sand. For good breathing. You will breathe 25,000 times today, and that is healthy for you. But do you know what else your breath can do? One deep breath in and one long breath out can make you feel better too. How do you think she looks?
She looks very calm.
And relaxed, right?
Yes.
If you are tired in the morning and it's hard to get out of bed, been there, right?
Yes.
Use rainbow breath to get your body moving and wake up that sleepy head.
What's rainbow breath?
Oh, rainbow breath, you ask? I'm glad you asked. Rainbow breath, sit up and let your spine grow tall. Bring your arms out to the sides, palms down. There you go. Inhale and sweep your arms up over your head, palm to palm. Exhale and bring your arms back down, straight to the sides, palms down. Do it 3 times. That's 1, 2, and 1 more. 3. All right. And that's the rainbow breath. Now, when you go somewhere you've never been and you aren't sure what to do, you can use dandelion breath to feel more comfortable trying something new. Let's check out the dandelion breath, shall we? So dandelion breath, sit up again. Let your spine grow tall. Thank you, Jaden. Imagine a soft dandelion flower. Take a deep breath in and then blow the air out slowly, sending those little seeds into the air. And do it 3 times. That's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, great job with the dandelion breath, girlfriend. All right. When something makes you mad or even feels unfair, been there, yeah. Try counting breath and you'll feel calmer there. Let's check out the calmer counting. Right? Sit up and let your spine grow tall. Thank you. Take a deep breath in and count silently to 3. 1, 2, 3. And then let it out and count silently. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to repeat that 3 times too. Keep going. And let it out. And for the 3rd and last time, let it out. Great job with that counting breath. All right. Sometimes you might be sad and feel like crying too. Oh man, right? A gentle belly breath can help you when you are feeling blue. So Jaden's going to pretend she's lying down now and do the belly breath. So lie down on your back, place 1 hand on your chest and 1 hand on your belly. Take a slow breath in, deep breath in, and feel your chest and your belly move up and down when the air goes out of your body. So feel it go up when you breathe in.
And it's like you have a big belly.
And out when you go out. That's 2. And do 1 more time because we're going to do 3 in total, right? Okay. And that is your belly breath. And you can feel that. You can feel it a lot better when you're lying down. Then, at night, when it's hard to fall asleep because your mind is busy and your body feels tight, try balloon breath to get relaxed and ready for a good night. You ready to try the balloon breath?
Yeah.
Okay. So again, you'd be lying down and let your hands rest by your sides this time, palms up. Can you show everybody your palms? So your palms up. There you go. So inhale through your nose and imagine filling a balloon up with air. So you're filling your body up as if it were a balloon and filling it up with air. And let it out slowly. Through your mouth when you let it out this time. So what color is your balloon, Jen?
Green.
Green. Okay, so let's do 2 more times. Fill your balloon up and let it out. 1 last time for 3. Wow. And that was your balloon breath. So, keeping in mind, your breath is always here for you in a calm and quiet way. Use it to help you choose how you want to feel in each moment of the day. with one deep breath in and one long breath out, you are on your way. So thanks for sharing with us, guys. Hope that helps, and we'll see you soon.